In every workshop, there is a moment where understanding begins. This is the first encounter with cabinet vision, where learning is not rushed and every detail has purpose. The journey starts with materials, not just names and numbers, but properties, thickness, surface, structure, and cost. Each parameter defines how a cabinet will be built and how it will perform in the real world. Construction follows, panels align, assemblies take shape. Qualified blind dado joints are applied with intention, hidden from view, yet essential to strength, precision, and longevity. As training continues, attention sharpens. Clearances are defined, tolerances are controlled. Machining logic becomes deliberate. Here, the user begins to see that accuracy is not a feature. It is a discipline. Hardware introduces movement. Hinges, drawer systems, lift mechanisms, each governed by space, motion, and constraint. When correctly applied, function becomes effortless. Then, the machines. Design transitions into action. Through Cabinet Vision's market-leading CAM engine, data is optimized, toolpaths are calculated, NC files are generated, ready to drive most CNC machines in the market with confidence. What sets this process apart is continuity. Unlike fragmented workflows that depend on multiple software platforms, where information is transferred, translated, and exposed to error, Cabinet Vision operates as a complete, connected system. From design to construction to optimization to production, everything remains within a single environment. With experience, the user's perspective changes. What once appeared complex becomes controlled. What once required interpretation becomes predictable. This is not simply software training. It is an understanding of how decisions made at the screen shape results on the factory floor, and in modern manufacturing, that understanding makes all the difference.